Vegetables. Bean.
Bean.
Young bean plants are sprouting from the soil.
Spinach.
Spinach. Spinach needs water to grow.
Tomato.
Tomato. You can eat a tomato raw like a fruit.
Potato.
Potato. The little girl is harvesting potatoes.
Bean.
Bean.
Spinach.
Spinach.
Tomato.
Tomato. Potato.
Potato.
Can.
Y. May.
Can.
Y.
May.
10.
Far.
Fun. Actions. Cry.
Cry. Cry.
We shed tears when we cry.
Sleep.
Sleep. Sleep.
When we feel tired, we go to sleep.
Drink.
Drink. Drink. We drink when we are thirsty.
Eat.
Eat. Eat. What is your favorite food to eat? Cry.
Cry.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Drink.
Drink.
Eat.
Eat.
B. B. B.
B. B.
B.
Boy. Boy.
B.
Bat. Bat.
Words start with B.
B.
Bird.
Bike.
Ball.
Bell.
Bowl. Choose the picture that goes with the word. That is right.
Drink. Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it! Eat. Choose the picture that goes with the word. Great job!
Spinach.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it! Sleep.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. Awesome!
Bean. Choose the word that goes with the picture. Try again. You did it!
Potato.
Which one is?
Far. You did it! Can you point to 10? Good try.
Great job!
Hooray! You have finished a lesson.
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
play lessons to earn more stickers.